Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have a screen protector for your Galaxy Z Flip 6. But before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, you decide to pick up your Galaxy Flip 6 and you are looking to protect your beautiful investment and you don't want to scratch up that front display. Look no further. I decided to pick up the Spigen GlasTR EZ FIT for the Flip 6. I've been using Spigen a lot lately for their screen protectors, and this one is probably one of the easiest ones to install. And they do a great job, and it works out really good. I actually have it on my Flip 5 right here. So in this video, I'm going to do just a quick installation. I'm going to try to do my best to keep everything on the camera. If you want to pick this up, I will have the links in the description so that way you can protect your beautiful investment. You don't want to get that scratched up. So stay tuned. Let me get this going. Let's see. Presentation-wise, you know, it's Spigen. It is what it is. You get what you want. Let me go ahead and unbox this bad boy. Alright, so you get two of them in the box. So if you mess up one or if one gets cracked some kind of way, you have two of them. Also, you get some installation guide. You can definitely read that, but I'm going to do it right here. And then you get a kit to install it. So you get two wipes. You get one little cloth, you get some dust removers here. You probably get a little bubbles, how to remove bubbles, and then also a squeegee here. And that's all you get. So, first thing you want to do is turn it off. Always turn off your screen. Power off. Always turn it off. Then you want to take your wipe. I've been using the phone for a little bit and I already see fingerprints. So this screen protector should work with a lot of different cases too. Never had a problem with the Flip 5. But again, you just want to make sure you wipe off your fingerprints, any grease you have on your fingers or sweat or any oils, you know. Again, if you can do this when you first get the phone, that is great. And then you just want to go ahead and wipe this bad boy down, dry it off. Take your dust removers here. Again, if you can do it at nighttime, that probably will be the best too. That way you can just let it settle overnight and just let it really, you know, settle down. Try to do it in a room that you don't have a lot of dust in. Alright, so once you remove all the dust and do that, you just want to take this back piece off here. It says back, but you kind of want to do it with the piece being upside down. And it's kind of obvious how it goes. You have a cutout for the camera there, and you just place that on top. It says press and slide. So you just want to press and slide a couple times. And then all you do is remove this. You might have some bubbles again. And then you take this off. Now if you have some bubbles, bam, you take that off. And then that is it. What I like to do again is you can take your wipe it down. One thing with this, it doesn't cover the whole screen, but it will cover just enough to around the cameras and then also down here. So depending on how you drop it, it could still crack your screen. But I have dropped this one before and never had any issues with it. A lot of the different cases covers this up anyway too. It goes along with the cutout of that thing there. So if I turn it off, you can see it goes up here pretty much just right there in the front where you can get scratches. Again, a lot of cases will cover the rest of that up. Once I put a case on there, y'all will definitely see what I mean. But if you want to pick this up, I will have the links in the description. You can get it from Amazon. I do love the Easy Fit. I mean, that was simple. And I still have another one in case something goes wrong with this one later on. You can definitely put that one on there later. But if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Galaxy Flip 6, also the Galaxy Z Fold 6. Make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forrest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.